followed the previous video, we were doing glutes and booty workout at the comfort of your home. If you have not watched that video, kindly pause this video, go back to that video and watch it, because you need both videos to achieve great results. Today we are doing booty workout and glutes and general leg workout, but now we are using the bands and the mats. Okay? So the first workout we're going to do is donkey kicks. Okay? So donkey kicks mixed with fire hydrant. Okay? So kick and hydrant. Okay? So then we'll do 20 on one leg, then we go to the other leg, donkey kick, hydrant. Kick, hydrant. So actually, if you are a beginner, you can do without the band. If you are a bit advanced, or if you want great benefit from that, you can use the band. Okay? And bands come in different variations. We have, is that the softest? The easiest? So we have light, heavy, medium. Okay? So what you use depends on how much you want to achieve. Okay? So okay? So the knees are slightly apart to give you a bit of stability. Okay? So we are starting with donkey kicks. If you're using the bands, just check the position of the band, where you put the band, so that when you're kicking back, it doesn't keep moving up. So shall we try? We get started. Okay, let's go. One leg at a time. Side, that's one. Okay? Keep on going. Side, that's two. Controlled movement, continuous. Okay? 3. Keep on going. 4. 4. 4. 5. So if you don't have a nice knee support, actually you can just fold the mat once or twice. Let's go. Okay. So you can fold your mat like that. So at least you have a better support for your knees. Okay. So number 4, let's go. Same leg. That's 5. Kick. Out. 6. 7. Keep on going. 7. 8. Make it continuous. Going 8. Out. 9. 9. Out. Out. 10 more. We have 10 more. Let's go. 10 more. No. 10 more. Do the same leg, then you change. Okay, let's go. Continuous now. 1. Continuous. 2. 2. Keep going. 3. Doing well. Let's go. 3. Out. 4. 4. You're doing well. Let's go. Out. 5 more. 5 more. Let's go. 5 more. 4 more. Keep going. 3 more to go. 3 more. 3 more. 2 more. 2 more to go. 2 more. Yes. The feeling is good. Let's go. 1 more. Good. Out. So whatever you do on one leg, make sure you do the same on the other leg. So we have no choice. Let's go the other leg. The left leg. Let's go. No.
Why not?
Rest if you must, but don't quit. But your rest should never go beyond like 40 seconds. Okay? Let's go again. Kick back. Hold down. Let's go. No. Let's go. Kick back. Let's go. Side. 1. Back. Side. 2. Nice. Now make it continue. Side. 3. Good. Side. 4, side, 5, side, 6, good, side, 7, side, 8, doing well, 8, side, 9, good, that's a good momentum. Give me 10 more, 10 more.
My glutes are burning.
It should burn, Okay, let's go 10 more. 10 more. 1, 2, that's good. Keep on going. Out, 3, out, 4. 4. Let's go. You stop, we'll start 1. Out, 5, out, 6. Keep going. You stop again, we start 1. Let's go out. 7. You have 3 more. 8. Let's go 3 more. Out. 2 more. Out. 1 more. You have 1 more. Let's go. Out. That's good.
This one wants to kill me.
How does it feel?
I'm dead.
You're dead or dying?
I'm dead.
Okay. Now turn facing up. We are going for bridge. Okay, let's go. And we are using the same band. We are not removing the band. Okay, just turn facing up.
The pressure is.
Okay. So in, bring your legs in and slightly apart. Okay. So hands on your side. We are squeezing. You're pushing up. When you're pushing up, feel the squeeze on your. So as you push out, you open your legs out. Are we ready? We are targeting 20. From home, you're doing 23 sets. 20 each set. If you're beginning, you can do 10 or you can do 15. Okay? But don't quit. Are we ready? Hands on your side. Let's go up. 1. Now continue. So you don't touch the floor once we start. 2, 3, yes. 4. As you come up, you open out. 6, 7, good. 8, 9, we are working on the glutes. 10 more. 1, dimples and cellulites. 2, 3, 4, 5, good. Keep on going. 6, 7, 8. You're doing well. 9. Hold up. So we are holding up. No. Hold up.
You're killing me.
We have to hold up. Immediately you're done, on your 20th, you hold up for like 10 counts. Hands on your side. Okay, just hold up. Hold for 10 slow counts. 1, 2, 3, higher than that. 4, yes, 5, hold. 6, 7, 8, 9, another 10.
No.
1. Okay, so the same point.
No.
You are holding up, but now you are opening your legs in and out. Okay, you squeeze your knees in and out. Position. Fold your legs.
We're doing it again.
No. Okay, there. So hands on your side. You lift your hips up. You are holding, and now it's like you're clapping using your hands. Ready? Now let's go. Lift up.
Sing my hips.
Yes. Now clap your knees. 1, out. Yes. 2, holding up. 3, again, we are shaping the glutes. 4, 5, take it up. 6, 7, good. 8, up. 9, another 10. It's 20, guys. Let's go up. 1, 2, 3, good. 4, doing well. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So we are removing the band.
Where?
Okay? So if you have a partner from home, you can do leg press. Okay? So you just get another mat, you place up here. You place a mat over here, then she can put her legs up. Let's go. Lift your legs up. Okay? So in that position, and you fold your legs down, fold, you push up, push me up. That's 1. Let's go again. Pushing me up, up, 2. So guys, you can target 20.
No,
For
no.
her, she's doing only 10. Let's
Yeah,
go.
please.
Pushing up, 2. Up, 3. Keep on going. So the heavier your partner, the better. 5, 6, 7. Keep on going. 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10. Okay. So target to do 20, and you're doing 3 rounds.
Wait.
Okay.
This person wants to kill
Last
me.
workout on the mat is now the inner thighs. You all want that thigh gap. This is what you do. Lie on your back.
On my back.
Lie on your back.
I'm on my back.
Oh, this is your back. That's when you work out a lot, you get confused. Okay. Support your hands down, and you raise your legs both up. Both legs. So from that point, you are doing adductors. This point you're doing adductors, okay? You open all the way down and close up. Continuous. Let's go.
I do a tip.
Yes. Lower, from lower down. So the slightly lower. There we go. Let's go.
I open.
Continuous. Yes. 1 and in. So you're working on the inner thigh muscles. 2. The lower you go depends on you. 4, 5. We're only doing 20. 6, 7, good. 8, 9, keep on going. 10 more. Last 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. 5 more. Let's go. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. 1 more. That's good. I think that's the easiest workout you've done today. How do you feel?
The pressure is getting.
So guys, this is different workouts you can be doing on alternate days, okay? So still we are working on our glutes, we are working on our dimples, we are working on our cellulite. If you find this video educative, kindly give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share with a friend, tell a friend to tell another friend that you can do actually this workout at the comfort of your home. Okay? Parting shot.
I'm dead.
That was her last words. I'm dead. Okay guys, so until the next video, it's bye-bye from Jacque Fitness and Mokazi Fitness.